Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can select multiple exercises and change the duration sort of as a group. So let's say for example you have lots of intervals and you want to change all the intervals at once. So let's open up, let's create a new workout and I'm going to name it change your duration. Okay, so I'm going to add some intervals in here. Let's add 5. And let's say I want to change the duration of all these exercises to 20 seconds. So what I do, I just select them all, like so, and set duration. And let's set the duration, for example, to 20 seconds. Press OK, and there you have it. All the intervals have changed duration to 20 seconds.